Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an American Express cardholder, you might be overlooking one of the best perks out there, the Fine Hotels and Resorts program. This exclusive offering can turn your next hotel stay into a luxurious experience, and today, I'll walk you through how to use it step by step. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is Fine Hotels and Resorts? It's a premium program from American Express that partners with top-tier hotels worldwide, providing eligible cardholders with added value and exclusive benefits. Think of it as an upgrade to your travels, making every trip feel like a 5-star adventure. To get started, you need to have an eligible American Express card. This typically includes cards like the Platinum Card, the Centurion Card, or other premium options. If you're unsure, log into your Amex account and check the benefits section. It's quick and easy. Now, onto the exciting part, the benefits. When you book through this program, you can enjoy perks such as complimentary breakfast for 2, potential room upgrades, early check-in and late checkout options, and even a resort credit of up to $100 at many properties. Some hotels might also throw in extras like spa credits or unique experiences. It's all about elevating your stay. Here's how to actually use it. Head over to the American Express travel website or open the Amex app. Look for the Fine Hotels and Resorts section, search for hotels in your desired location, and select one from the curated list. Make sure to book directly through Amex to unlock these benefits. It's that simple. After booking, you'll receive a confirmation email outlining your specific perks. When you arrive at the hotel, just present your American Express card and the confirmation to the front desk. They handle the rest, applying your benefits seamlessly. A quick tip: book in advance to secure availability, as these perks are popular and can vary by hotel. Always review the details to avoid any surprises. In conclusion, the Fine Hotels and Resorts program is a fantastic way to maximize your Amex card's value. Give it a try on your next trip and enjoy the perks. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Safe travels.